Gmina Paprotnia is a rural gmina, administrative district, in Siedlce County, Masovian Voivodeship, in east-central Poland. Its seat is the village of Paprotnia, which lies approximately 19 kilometers, 12 mi, northeast of Siedlce and 99 kilometers, 61 mi, east of Warsaw. The gmina covers an area of 81.43 square kilometers, 31.4 sq mi, and as of 2006 its total population is 2,797, 2,675 and 2104. Villages. Gmina Paprotnia contains the villages and settlements of Charnoty, Grabowiak, Habubla, Kaliski, Kabilany Kosi, Korosayany, Krinki, Achiki, Adozy, Nasibo, Paprotnia, Pliski, Pluty, Potas, Rzasotko, Squirchinlaki, Ster Trbis, Stasin, Strusi, Trbis Doln, Trbis Gorn and Uzibai. Neighboring gminas. Gmina Paprotnia is bordered by the gminas of Bielany, Korchu, Morty, Przemyki, Repki and Sucho Ebry. References. Polish official population figures 2006.